There it is. There it is. We are all over that one. That's going to do it. Get up there, get up there, get up there, get up there, get up there.
Hello everyone, I'm Mason Jang, MJ Clever B is my username. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be embarking on a whole new adventure. Can you guess what it is? The adventure of paper planes. In this first episode, we're going to be folding Suzanne. Suzanne was actually the world record holder for Guinness World Record 2012. Let's see it in flight. All you will need in order to fold this paper airplane is a sheet of A4 paper or 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. And we'll begin by folding the paper from that corner to that edge. Try to align the crease very well because it will affect your other folds if you don't. Now unfold and repeat on the other side. Try to be as precise as possible. Now fold the whole paper in half. Unfold, and we're going to take the edge I'm holding now to align it with that crease. Now do the same on the other side. Now you can see there's an intersection there. Fold, aligning the center crease, but just above, just touching the intersection. And tack it down. Now we're going to close that flap up and do the same on the other side. Folding on that existing crease, closing it in. Now we're going to flip it over and fold in half. Now we're ready to fold the wings. Now fold just a little bit above the nose of the plane. And you can see that you can swing this wing, and you can see that there's going to be a right angle triangle there. And we have to fold until it disappears. So you can see there's a right angle triangle there. Then we have to fold, swing it until it disappears like that. And then now we can tack that down. Now do the same on the other side to match. And there you go. You now have a finished Suzanne. Now flip the plane over and I'll tell you which side to tape. You have to tape there, there, and there. And on the other side, you can also tape it there if you want to. And with that said, that's it for this video. Thank you, John Collins, for giving me this inspiration to fold this design. It was a great paper airplane, and I'm sure you will make more amazing paper airplanes in the future. Thank you very so much for watching this video, and good luck flying your plane. Coming up, episode 2. Coming up is Map 58, a paper airplane designed by me, Mason J. MJ Clever B. See you in episode 2.